currently 3:56 and today we are going to the airport because today we're going to Bali for T's hens, but she doesn't know we're going to Bali, and I accidentally I almost spoiled the surprise because we have two group chats, and I put in the group chat, guys, I can't wait to leave for Bali, and then I realized, well actually no, I didn't realize, Sandra realized that I had posted in the wrong group chat, and it was like an hour of pure chaos. Just back and forth. Please do not open the group chat, please do not scroll. But yes, she promised us she wouldn't scroll up, so we just like spammed the group chat. So she has no idea where we're going. At least I hope so. And if she's lying, I hope she keeps lying. Yes. Yes. Oh. 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 Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
You can turn 2, 1. You can turn around.
This is actually fantastic.
Happy tea, Mara.
Security. Oh my god! Oh my god! You ever have the date on it? Oh my god, they're so good. Yes, they're so cute. Yes. Is that why you asked? Is that why you asked for the photos? For a hot photo?
Yeah. Yeah.
I said, how do I know you? I originally was thinking Fiji.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Because that's the only tropical place I could think of, Fiji, and I was thinking Thailand, but then the boys were Thailand.
Mmm.
Vietnam was one, but then I think this Kevin wanted to go to Vietnam. So I was like, I don't think you guys would cross that.
Okay, that's all the guesses you get.
No, on the bus?
A sky bus.
The sky bus, yeah. We can get a sky bus. We're taking you to Geelong. I would kick your ass. Just in case.
Hold on. What's happening? Hold on.
What you talking about?
Why is it like that? Team Marmaland.
T security.
Security. Security.
Hello,
Yay! Congrats! You didn't get deported. That's okay.
That's so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh my god. Literally his leg. Oh, that's so cute.
Hey.
Oh,
You're so needy.
you guys.
Yes.
He's so cute. Oh, thank you. Yeah, this is the welcome drink, please. There is welcome to all, but I don't know if you need this one because it's cold. Oh, okay, so it's hot.
Wow. Take the shoes off when you go upstairs.
What's this room?
T, this is your room.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this is one room. Very cute.
It smells nice.
Oh my god, you're following us everywhere, buddy. It's another room. Ladies, are we ready? Oh, okay. Wow, look at this beautiful weather. Miss Ma'am. Hey. Guys, I think we have a bit of an obsession. Ooh. Where are we going? Give me a push. Good morning, guys. It's 6:30. Mr. Meowson kept me up all night because it was storming and he was too scared to sleep down here. So I let him in my room. But apparently I'm not allergic to him, which is really weird. Usually I break out into hives and my esophagus closes, but he's fine. Like, I'm not even snotty-nosed. We have our beautiful staff cooking us breakfast. The girls are still sleeping, so I'm just watching a horror movie to start off my day. Oh, do I just bite it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Try it.
Oh, thank you.
There's a bin inside the...
Oh, okay. Eggs Florentine.
I can't even remember what I ordered. I think
Ooh.
mee goreng, nasi goreng.
I think they're all the same. I've got
Thanks to you, but we didn't. I wouldn't say.
Well, we talked to her about the phrasing of that.
A new bombshell has arrived in the villa.
Over there.
Here she comes. Some say she's a fighter. I say she's a lover.
I'm a fighter.
What are you doing on Love Island then?
I'm here to walk around Thorndale.
Interesting.
Oh wow.
Justin heard it here first.
Dancer. Shake that ass.
Me, Allegiance Street.
Shake that ass, Jess. Shake that ass. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ladies.
Throw some money at that.
Excuse me, ladies.
Say hi, Cece.
Hey! Hey, my butt wet.
This is us.
So far away.
Hello vlog. This is
26
Tian, new to be lamb, currently new in, but gonna be lamb.
Who put their dirty shoes on here?
Yay! Coordination happening there, trying to get us to the places at the times to do the things. Yeah, what things? She doesn't know what the things are. We don't reveal secrets. Stay tuned and find out what happens next on Love Island.
What you doing there?
Take one that you need.
Keep your wish close to your heart or wallet for it to come true. It may work for us if you drink here and follow us. Okay, let's see what they got.
How? Healing from your last attraction.
Time travel machine. Life changing
take
motion.
that one.
Chakra alignment.
Chakra alignment for Simi.
Yeah.
It's going in the wallet.
0 red flags for Jess.
With someone you need to forgive and have not.
Oh, damn.
Are we ready to go?
You know what we're doing.
I didn't know we were coming here. I literally was like grumpy when I woke up from my nap. Left arm over to the curtains, bring it back over to the shoulder, and then lower the hips down, taking a big break at the bottom. Go again, nice and stretch. Left knee pulling towards those toes. Left arm slowly opens out of those curtains. Bring it back over your shoulder, then your hips drop down. Try to break up those movements. Alright, start cutting that leg into the floor. Alright, we're gonna add a hold at the top. So next time that ball is reaching over towards those shins, hold it there for 3, 2, 1, roll back down. Nice and slow. Coming all the way up, reaching that ball for your shins, holding for 3, 2, and 1, lower back down.
Woohoo! Flex on him!
Was a killer. Are we gonna go? I felt every bone shake in my body.
How's your abs?
Oh my Jesus Christ.
said not to.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm scared.
There's no way we're going to do that, mate. That's crazy.
Can I ask them to take a photo of us here?
Oh, hit the gong. Sancho, hit the gong. Hit it. Hit it. Do it. I'll do it. You're not that influencing. Hello. Oh, look at the bride to be. Oh, get it. Yes. Guys, we originally booked a reservation at the cave, but because of all the flooding, we were stuck in traffic for 3 hours and we couldn't end up going. And then we ended up being nearby Potato Head. So then we came to Potato Head and the day beds were 5 million. And we're like, no, we'll just go to the bar for a couple drinks. They heard that we're celebrating T's wedding, so they gave us a free day bed. A free day bed. Hey. Oh, wait, let me take a cute pic. Cheers to tea! What's this one? Pepperoni?
Yeah.
Oh, a Hawaiian person. Steak, chicken. Even in Bali, they can't beat the mashed zombie. Not as good. Still alright, but not as good. Do better.
Yeah, there's the yellow one for you.
Good luck on your way.
Guys, I stubbed my toe, but no free feet pics. But it's bleeding. Look. It kind of stings, but it's okay.
You got it.
I know. Let's try to zoom in.
You scared? I'm
Action! Oh shit. Oh, I broke it! I'm so sorry.
Is it nice?
You are now
Your name is
Mrs. Lamb.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, synchronized swimming.
Whoa!
Wait, I'm getting shit cramps. Wait.
That's not shins. That's calves.
I didn't even know this was going to get shit.
I got shin splints at Pilates before, but I was like, oh, just shut the fuck up. That's a fucking creeper. Look at that. There's a creeper in the window.
Who the fuck is that?
I'm okay now. I have to test the waters.
I'm going.
Wow!
Yes,
Oh,
Sammy.
Kiss me.
Whoa!
Wow!
That was hard.
I can't do that. My contact is dislodged. I can't see it on my left eye. I don't know how to.
You don't know how to start?
I can try. It's not going to be pretty.
Go try it. Don't get stuck on the screws. So you put one foot, left foot in front, right foot in the back. Yeah, hands up, and then kick off the back foot. Yeah, like do you feel that? And then just like
I feel like I'm gonna belly flop.
yeah, so pretend like try to aim for your hands to go in the water.
Okay.
Yeah, and kick off the back foot and then kick this foot in the air when you go. Good, yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And what you want this to go in the water before your head.
Hello, we just woke up. The little minions are up. One's over there talking on the phone. Yay, stay tuned for the day. It is time to go eat breakfast. Today we're leaving Seminyak and we're going to travel to Ubud. Luckily, turn right. Where are we going? We're going to Ubud today. And I looked on the maps and it said there'll be one flood on the way there, but hopefully we can dodge it. Otherwise we're fucked.
We're going in a boat.
Go swimming. We got cereal. Oh, deli hams. More deli ham. Oh, fresh toasted bread. Some fruit. Oh, I think that's like jam. Oh, marble cake. Salad. Oh, yum.
Thank you for taking me.
Do you know where we're going next? No. We're going to the floods. We're going to swim.
We're going to swim in the floods.
Ooh.
We got locked and loaded already.
And bubbly. Look at these two. Oh my god.
My fingernail took the sugar.
Got potato hash, poached egg, salmon, mushroom, spinach. Is that nasi goreng?
That is nasi goreng.
That's a lot of like a big serving.
It is good.
Tacos.
This was a croissant.
This was a croissant.
Croissant.
Everyone got mixed juice, but I can't have it because it's got papaya. I got watermelon juice.
Yeah.
She's getting married. The one.
Not me.
That one, not that one, not that one. In the purple coloured top, she's getting married. So we came here to celebrate.
Wow.
Salad, barbecue pork ribs. Maybe just one. Yeah, maybe just one.
Hey Jess, how are you feeling?
Yay!
Oh no! That's okay, we carry on. Muzzy, how are you feeling? Tell the camera. Beautiful, beautiful, alright, beautiful. Cecilia, at the head of the table, how are you feeling? Tell the vlog. Great. Cecilia gives it not just one thumbs up, but a 10 out of 10. And a double thumbs up. Sandy Dandy, how you feeling, sweetheart? We've got pockets full of sunshine. All right. Thank you for that. Thank you for that gem of a moment. And finally, it's the queen herself. How do you feel, Miss Princess? My heart is full. Your heart is full? How about your belly? My belly will be full. But I'm very, very happy. Love.
Let me see you, Wilson.
Oh wow. He's a princess.
Oh wow. Oh. Mixed satay skewers and Duke salad.
Holy shit, bro. What is this again? Lime juice? Lime juice. I need this every day. Oh my god. So this whole like property is ours. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh shit. Wow, oh my god. Ah! Holy shit. Wow. Oh my god, the bathrooms! I think the bathroom's the same. Sydney, you want to go see the other room?
Oh, that's like a cute little cottage.
Should we switch up the bunking or keep it the same?
Yeah, we can switch up the bunker. You want to bunk with me?
Hell yeah!
Yeah. We have a party. We have a little cottage.
What about the one downstairs?
Yeah, we're checking it out now.
This is so cool.
Oh my god, it's our own little home. Oh yeah, we got a separate.
Oh wow!
This is so.
This one's so cute too.
This is sick.
Ooh la la! Lovely. Rock, paper,
maybe we
scissors,
use
shoot.
the same place.
Oh! Simi, I won.
Oh, you won?
Which room should we get?
Wait, where's that? There's that. I'll walk to. Yeah.
Oh!
Hey, Sandra. Hi. Whoa, who's this cool cat? Hello. Hi. Sunnies are on.
Wait, the gecko. There's a gecko.
Baby
here.
T.
Yeah, there's a gecko right there.
Where's the gecko?
It's right behind the curtain. Oh, it's
Hi,
hiding.
friend.
Behind. Up.
Hi, friend.
Have a look at the menu. So in 15 minutes, 6 people.
Oh, there's a bug. Oh no, it's a bee. I'm so sorry.
That was great. Guys, there's a ghost in our villa. Holy shit! Holy cow! You look like Sonic. Whoa, wait, tsunami! How's your massage tea?
That's it.
Top notch. What are you gonna try tomorrow?
I'm gonna try the deep tissue one.
Ooh. What about you, Mouse?
I think I'm going to deep tissue as well.
Mm-hmm. What about you, Simi?
I'm doing deep tissue. I'm doing it in deep. I'm gonna do deep tissue too.
Okay.
Alright, it's in the bathroom, guys. Oh, we're fucked. What if it came out?
Where is it? Where?
There.
Oh my god!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh. It's fucking
You
cute.
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh la la. She took my papaya so I don't die on this trip. Yay! It's like a roller coaster.
Crazy respect for this journey. Woo!
No way.
Mars, get out of the car. You're holding us back. I'm so scared. I rather.
Woohoo!
Yes, I'm mad.
Everyone's got braids. Wait, I'm the only one without braids. Expecting us to do this?
Yes, only because the boys did it.
Do you still feel scared because you said you don't think we'll survive rafting if we did it? Is that what she said? She said that.
I've done it before.
She said that when she saw the sign. She's like, we wouldn't survive that.
We would not. I will be all
What do you mean? What do you mean?
We have survival skills on land, not in the water.
Love you.
Oh, Indomie. Oh, curry. Thanks, babe. Oh, prawn cracker. Titin, you ready for ATV?
Yes.
You gonna beat us all?
I might be the one to crash you.
Oh no, 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 no. Let's see the damages, T. Oh, oh, oh my, oh my, oh my. So T, how was it?
Very, very crazy.
Crazy?
Hectic.
Which one did you like more?
Quad biking.
Hell yeah. Would you do it again?
Wasn't bad, but so actually both of them are arm workouts.
Yeah, that's so true.
And the other one's like,
I feel like this one hurt more though.
no, my thumbs aren't hurting.
Really?
No, my thumbs don't hurt. It's my muscles in my arm.
He was tensing the whole time. It doesn't look that bad, but when you
Dick chocolate.
when you really look at it, oh my god! Guys, this is Frog Buddy underneath the chair. Cuties. So cute.
Ano yung formulas off?
Cheers.
Nah, it's not bad making one.
No emotions.
It's not like a very strong rub.
It's not. It's good.
It's actually like
I'm coming to show you all the meat options that we have available.
Which one are you gonna get?
this one here, the tenderloin.
Oh, the aircon's on.
Oh,
Wowie.
Wait, I might just be like retarded. I'm stuck. I can't get out. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna leave me.
I was gonna leave you to get help.
You're not really sure.
I'm unsure, but it looks like Elon, and Elon's got like 12 kids. It's very
Ooh.
First one, we have a classic chimichurri. It's made from oregano with parsley, chili flakes, garlic, and balsamic vinegar. Guys, that's hot. Try with the butter?
Yeah. I like that. I don't know what the butter is, but I like it. Cheesy garlic bread thingy majiggy. Made with tapioca, that's why it's so bouncy. And spicy butter. Corn cheese.
Whatever that is.
Mmm. Sandra, that's good.
getting us like. I want to grab all of it.
Beef tongue.
That's so good.
Wow.
Bessie, do you want this last piece?
Oh wait. Nice. Grilled asparagus with truffle. And I got the Wagyu A5. And T got the Wagyu tenderloin. Look at that. Oh, chance.
That truffle.
Do you want a piece? It's really fatty. I don't know if you guys like fatty though.
This one will.
Try.
Oh, that looks fatty. What'd you get? Oh, that's
The Japanese Wagyu.
I swear you got it.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I love. Here we go.
Guys, the alcohol has hit my head.
Holy shit, that's amazing.
I'm not even on this planet right now. I died and went to heaven like 10 years ago. I love how the onion and the garlic just pops out.
Look at the color of my steak. That's not working. I tried to do it like a makeup. Good morning. Today is Saturday, I think, and we are going to go have breakfast at the Villa restaurant because it's complimentary, and then doing a cycling tour. I don't know how to ride a bike, but the cycling tour will be like around the rice paddies and I forgot the other really beautiful scenic places. So I'm excited, but I'm also really scared because I don't know how to ride a bike. I don't think I'll ever get over this being my morning view. Oh my god. I don't want to leave, but I miss my boyfriend. It's an American breakfast kind of day.
Yeah, she's like. Yeah, we went through the storm, the monsoon, the floods. Sunny, cloudy.
Bye, great.
No, what's the Balinese slang?
Nas Klang.
Nas Klang.
What does that
Like
mean?
fuck yeah.
Nas Klang. Nas Klang.
Say that, yeah.
But we can say fuck oath. Shit, guys, it's happening. It's happening. Oh my god. Oh! Guys, look at this marigold field. And that is the biggest volcano in Bali, still active. Wow. And I biked all the way here. I did fall into a bush head first, but I made it. Yay! Roasted coffee beans.
Yeah, Arabica coffee.
Whoa.
I don't think I'll ever unsee that in my life.
Our house. Yeah. The reason why, because in our belief, those directions are holy directions. Even in Bali, while we sleep, we always put our head point to the family.
Yes! I love mangosteen!
That is the best.
I had to tap out because my hands were cramping. But, oh my god, that's so red. But I rode for a solid distance. I'm very proud of myself. And now I'm in the truck. And the truck's gonna take me to the girls. Thanks! I'm back! Hello! Hello! Thank you! Yeah.
They made over there actually.
It's amazing. Woohoo! A jacuzzi! You want to get in the jacuzzi?
No, I don't have clothes.
Oh wow, there's more pools over there. Oh, look at those day beds. See me? There's day beds like in there. Wow. Oh wait, show me that cross section.
everyone do get up.
Whoa.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh.
No, pull it.
Amazing. Amazing.
Sunscreen, I was like, and then I wiped my hands, and then I did the tanning like
I should put Casa in my back.
Like the ready?
oh no,
Wait, is it pasta? Yeah.
the combination. Wait. Oh, delivery. Wait, hold on. Check out this photo shirt. Oh! Thank you guys.
We just got back from cycling and now we're just chilling at the villa before we go to the night market tonight. The pool kind of stings because I'm covered in like scratches. Because when we were cycling, I don't know how to ride a bike. I did learn eventually, but when we first started, I pressed the wrong brake and I like braked on the front wheel instead, and the bike went like eep, and I went eep. Good, 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 good. Get these two. One for me, one for Jenny. Oh yes. Give us a strut. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is crazy. Wow. Oh yeah. I think we have to go around. Ladies, isn't this just a beautiful place? Beautiful. Look at the beautiful views. Look, very beautiful.
The new birds make that.
Absolutely beautiful. But you know what the most beautiful thing here is? This lady right here. I got a, what is it? Ginger, lemongrass, pandan and condensed milk tea. It's really good. It's a whole lemongrass stick. This is pandan. See me? This leaf, yeah.
Does anyone have any salt and pepper? No.
I think they're bringing some. Do you rate it? Is it good? Melbourne's better. What about you, Simi? What do you rate it?
7 out of 10.
Oh, okay, okay. Although we can't figure out what this pot of
Liquid is.
Tastes like oil. Hi, buddy. It's in the tree. Guys, hash with beef briskets. Very good. Bit of hash brown.
I don't think I'll like the flower one. You'll feel weird on me.
When you want the bathroom toilet? No?
That's okay, yeah. Wow!
Okay, excuse me. How long in Bali?
Oh my god, Cece's gonna die. Wait, I'm ticklish as well.
Just prepare yourself all to
Five. I can't believe this is our life right now.
I don't even want to think about going back. Please get the food.
That's not good. Let's not think about that right now.
Get a little foot massage here. Lovely view. There's the cafe we're at yesterday. I mean, just before. The interior is amazing. Yes, I'm about to dig into this lamb shank. Look how good it looks. Oh wow, spin it around, Sandy. Coke Zero? Wow. Thank you so much.
You go, guys.
Babe, they haven't even processed yet.
Ah, that's all.
Yeah, that's it. It's just for pictures.
Oh, where's Sandra?
Go, Mars, go. And then I'll run to the other side and take a photo. Stay there. I'm coming. I'm coming, Mars, I'm coming. Mars, I'm coming. Hey, lock it for me, please. The stand and ponder.
Hey,
Scary?
you want to come in with me?
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
I can't see shit.
I need double torch. Yeah, my torch doing jack shit.
I can see a little bit. Careful, it's really muddy. It's super muddy.
Careful here.
Oh wait, no, it's not muddy. It's just footprints. Hi. What a view. What a view. Come here, baby, come here. Come on, baby. Let me
In the movies.
Good job, honey.
Then I make it and go, shut up.
Let me just...
It's wobbling. It's like you're running.
It looks pretty decent. Guys, the villa gave us a breakfast box. It's got croissant, little scroll, toast, some blueberry jam. It's like they know me. Oh, look at my butter.
Yeah, your butter was like
Look at my butter. Oh, that's so cute. The mandarins, eggs, and what is this? Guava juice. Yummy. Oh, my
that's what we ate.
my butter is everywhere. The coffee smells good. Maybe I should have got on a coffee.
Her laugh is hard.
It sounds like she's crying. Little headlight on. Flash me. Oh God. Bye. Good luck. Fuck this shit.
I'll go in the front or something.
Yeah. Coming in. Oh. Jesus. Jesus. Excited? Yeah. Sandra, you excited? Ah. Ready? Holy cow. Oh my God. Yeah. It's like ATV all over again. Oh gosh, careful, Sandra. Thank you.
Going out.
Oh my god, wow.
Yay.
Thank
Oh my God, this dude is making my heart. Oh my God. Wait, is it? Stop it. He needs to kneel down right now. What is he doing? Oh, bastard. Pocket. Hey, he's putting his hand in his pockets. Oh my God, stop it! Wait, I can't please. I need a proposal. Please give us a proposal. Down there. We think he might propose, but we don't know. He keeps putting his hand in his pockets. Just in the Jeep in front of us. Oh. Nice. Yep.
Oh, thank you, boss.
Nice. Yes, sir. Good job. Woohoo. Wow.
A lot of people they try to move it. I mean, like to stay in Bali, like a bit longer, 6 years, 6 months, a year.
Meanwhile,
Yeah, she's like done. She's like, get me out.
The vibes are not matching. Hey, 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 hey.
Bye bye. Hello, buddy.
What do you mean? Oh, bottom. Bottom? Yeah, I hung mine up.
We were like, our faces were like, okay. And then you said the grape were like, She's like, the drink.
Video. Bye bye. Pull it down. Hello. Good. How are you? Wow, 6 people, please. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much.
Good, how about you?
It is like one of the most double-factor things to travel. Yeah. It's not the easiest.
We got a tuna steak with creamy garlic sauce and garlic butter rice. What'd you get, Cece?
Wagyu beef burger and Asian barbecue chicken wings.
We serve bloody cold beer, mate. Tea, oh baby. It's okay. Oh. And that's what a suitcase should look like after a trip. Yeah, that's how it should look. Oh, get it. Oh.
One wrong move and I die.